Good afternoon. Welcome to Option Center's Tuesday, 3/1/22, the start of a new month. Let's check it out from multiple time frames. We're going to do this really quick. We're going to run through these, and we're going to add on one extra layer, our Elliott waves, on a different layout this time around. So if you're new here, go down the bottom right-hand corner, hit that Option Center logo, and subscribe. We are going to start with ES on the monthly. We are open the month mid-range underneath the body of last month, pushing off of the 8 EMA. A little bit concerning that we may start to head down to the 20-month moving average, simple moving average. And it looks like we're trying to make a bear cross here. That can change with this candle all by itself. So with this being somewhat of a reversal candle, we may be coming down to fill in some of the candle before moving higher, or if we get follow through to the downside, that negates this reversal there. Getting down to the weekly. All right, what do we see here? Had our wave 1, 2, 3, possibly end of wave 4, inside week so far, pushed up to the 50-week simple moving average, coinciding with the confluence of 8-week EMA, pushed off of it, headed back down, but held overnight, held the very important 4250 support. So just kind of chopping around in this range here. Looks like we're getting some sort of support from the 0 line on the MACD, and the RSI is fading down just a little bit, but around in that support area around the 40, which is typical in a very bullish market. See if we can see anything down lower on the daily, get some more information. Daily trend is our friend. We had this rising pivot for the megaphone that started off in 2018, came right down to it, bounced off really hard. Now we're, after a little bit of follow through, we're consolidating sideways for just a couple days now. Couldn't hold that 8 EMA, and also underneath the 3220 area. So not looking very bullish on most of these time frames. We do have a lot of room to head down. We were looking for more of a pullback, but this green box, even though it's massive, this is our buy zone. This is where supply or demand is. And so that's why we're looking to for some sort of pullback here and start our way back to the upside if this is going to get bullish anytime soon. Now we have bullish divergence on the MACD. Trying to get that bullish crossover with the leader line over the blue MACD line, and getting real tight in this RSI range, but bullish divergence there as well. So we'll have a downtrend line that we'll have to get over, but into bearish territory still. So we have some work to do. Let's go down to the 65. It's going to get real messy in here. So forgive all the lines. Let's dig in deep. We had this. Actually, let me back up just a little bit more so you can see. When we tapped out here at 45.80, we had that nice deep correction and formed a wedge. Well, we broke down out of that wedge, fake break, got back over it, and we are retesting it now. Right at the last minute, retested it one more time. And looks like we're pushing back off of it, but we'll have to overnight somehow get over this 4320. Just remember, we have the State of the Union tonight. We may be playing a little bit of futures during that volatility. I'm sure something that Biden says will trigger the market to move a little faster. Now, what did we have here after this first pop? Let's go on to this Elliott wave page that I made up here and look at some of our counts. It looks like we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to start off our impulsive move to the upside. Now I consider that an A or a 1. And in this wave 2 or B, we're doing sideways action. We're not actually coming back down in some sort of zigzag, something very fast moving and deep. We're actually moving, we're correcting in time. So this is actually a bullish setup. We have a initial move down for the correction, a B, which actually came above our bottom of our wave A. So in a C, that doesn't quite come down to the end of wave A. So this is a running flat. We're looking for a 3-wave move down, 3-wave move up, and a 5-wave move down here to finish off right at the last few minutes of the right before the bell. So I went long for a lotto on the SPY for tomorrow. I do think the technicals will play this out well, and so we should be looking for some sort of movement overnight with this State of the Union. I believe this is setting up for a nice big gap up tomorrow. Of course, nobody knows that for a fact, but with the technicals setting up this way, it is running flat, then we should be good. Now, can price go back down? Sure, can. We did hold on to just one runner for our puts that's been doing pretty well from the top here, but we'll have to see. Actually, not from the top, from this back test here. All right, so that's all I got to show you right now. We're looking at we are looking for the bullish play going in tomorrow. If something, if we go down a little bit lower, we'll be looking into some of the buy areas into the 50% or 61.8% retracements in the buy zone, and then anything below that, we're gonna sit it out. If price starts going underneath there, but we start to regain it, then we'll look for some long positions before and after this area. Okay, that's what we're looking at here at Option Center. Have a wonderful day. Like the video. We will talk to you in the option, guys. Check that out. It's free. We will be showing setups in there, technical analysis, chit-chatting, all that camaraderie. So check it out. Have a good day.